This is Brandon Greene, your forever car guy here at Fairway Ford, bringing you this 2013 Mazda 3 i-Touring. Has just over 130,000 miles on the odometer. It is an as-is unit. I did take it for about a 5-minute test drive down the road. Got it up to like 65 miles per hour. Steering and the drivability felt great. Engine transmission felt like they should. Did feel some pulsation when braking. And other than that, the tires on this thing are like bald. And definitely would need replaced. The body is super clean. Some slight oxidation, which you're gonna find in this here vehicle. I found a couple small scratches on the trunk deck lid, but other than the brakes and tires, which I can definitely get you a quote on, the interior super clean. All the options worked. Seats, back seats, a close up on the current miles, 136,667. But yeah, all the options worked. Drove great. Didn't steering felt tight and wasn't pulling any direction. We just had that slight pulsation when braking, and these tires are definitely bald and need replacing. But if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give me a call, 330-510-9613. As always, thanks for the opportunity to earn your business trust here at Fairway Ford.